The representative of Alumma International Organization to outfit you the project number 4, the next program of well drilling. And we're here by standing in the village of Ajasi, Kumasi, Ghana, which 8 people are in need of water, which is our main point of drilling the wells. So we first of all thank God who grant us this strength and will to drill in the drain out. So we first and we secondly thank those who sponsor these programs, and besides Dr. Abu Ammar Sudani, who is our main point of having this big project in our area. So we thank him and we thank God again for this thing. And we're also hoping and counting on their cooperation for us to receive many and enough of these projects to help kill the poverty of water in the areas, and we might thank them once and for all. Bismillah, and we're giving you the output of the
so now Ukuko.
Back and back.
Father, Bala,
once we thanking you with our last words, we're also hoping to give you the final report of the whole drilling very soon, in 1 week or 2 weeks time, which we're counting on God's prayers for you all, and may God bless you as happens for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.